In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can download Zelle. For those people who do not know Zelle is a mobile payment, option which uses peer-to-peer transfer, and you guys can transfer money from your phone to other people or your friend. All right. So that's the basic definition of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to get more about it. So let me show you guys how you guys can sign up into it and set up your account for Zelle. So basically you need to download this app of Zelle. So if you guys go to your Play Store or your App Store, you can search for Zelle and download the app. After you do that, basically what you want to do is you want to enter a phone number. Now remember, when you're signing up for Zelle, you need to use a phone. All right, you can't use your laptop to do that. You need to use your phone, and after you do that, you need to change into your mobile data. Don't use your Wi-Fi or your home Wi-Fi. Use your mobile data. All right, because when you use your Wi-Fi, it's not going to work. You need to open your phone and use your mobile data and enter your mobile number which asks you for. After you do that, basically it's going to send a verification code to your phone. After you do that, you enter a verification code and basically your Zelle account will be created. After that, remember, in Zelle all the bank cannot be linked. So basically in Zelle you need to link your bank first to load money into it. It basically works like Cash App. So basically you have to check if your bank is available in Zelle or not. Zelle doesn't support all the bank. All right, so make sure if Zelle supports your bank. If it supports your bank, it's going to ask you for some information. Just provide the information and you're good to go. So that's basically how you guys can sign up and activate your Zelle account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sorry that I was not able to show you guys how you guys can do that in phone, because right now Zelle is not available in my country. So sorry for that.